Hello everyone, it's Evan from Winsor Driving School, and today I'm going to give you a tip on all new CDL drivers and current CDL drivers on how you can save a boatload of money when you're actually an owner-operator of your own vehicle in the CDL industry. So, when you own your own truck, it is very important to save as much money as possible so you can always, of course, have a high profit margin. But this does not mean cutting corners. This means being a very knowledgeable driver so you can fix any problem that you have yourself. If you fix the problem yourself, common sense, you don't have to pay somebody else to fix the problem for you. So here at Winsor's Driving School, we teach all of our students the exact pre-trip inspection. With this exact pre-trip inspection, you'll be going in and outside your truck and trailer to inspect it perfectly. When you do not inspect your truck perfectly, breakdowns do happen. For example, look at my hands. I'm all dirty. I'm all dirty because I spent all day long fixing a truck that somebody did not do the pre-trip on perfectly. There was something wrong with the motor, the leaky hose. They didn't check it before they actually drove the truck. They got on the highway, the hose came loose, fuel came all over the road, and the engine stopped. And you have to stop in the middle of the road. I had to physically tow him from the road back to the yard and fix his truck. And yes, it's not an easy process, but I saved the guy a lot of money because I helped him do it. I didn't charge him anything. He got lucky there, but hopefully that does not happen to you. If you know how to fix little problems and inspect your truck before the problems actually happen, you can save yourself a lot of money. And also, if you get a little hands-on and get some mechanical knowledge behind you, you can save a lot of money as well, and you not have to have the mechanic shop ripping you off. So here at Winsor's Driving School, we teach you the perfect pre-trip inspection to be able to inspect your truck so you have minimal problems on the road as owner-operators. So if you're looking to get a CDL license, or if you're looking to become an owner-operator, we can help you here at Winsor's Driving School. We help people every day get the CDL license, and also, if somebody's financially able to start their own company, we can help them with that as well. We have our own owner-operator program here at the school where we help people start their own company and also provide work. So we give you the truck, the trailer, proper information to actually start your company, all the legal things you have to do to start your company, and also we're a one-stop shop. We have mechanics, we have parking on site, anything to help a new owner-operator, we can do it for you. And also, we can save our owner-operators a lot of money with our expertise. Like I just did today, saving one of our owner-operators a couple $100 just because a hose was loose. So if you have any questions about getting your CDL license or our owner-operator program, please give us a call here at Winsor's Driving School at 908-862-3252. Come learn from us so you don't have to get this dirty and fix your truck every day. And also, save yourself a lot of money. Thank you.